Remember pioglitazone by the Pug, who provides glitter for an arts and crafts center. This medication belongs to a class of drugs that commonly end in the glitazone suffix, the glitter zone. It works by binding to peroxisome proliferated activated receptor gamma, or PPAR gamma, shown as binding to pepper granma. This binding action makes cells more sensitive to insulin, effectively decreasing insulin resistance, the down arrow insect syringe resistance swatter. This is useful in the treatment of type 2 diabetes, shown by the dyed bead pancreas in a 2-2-2. One side effect to be cautious of when prescribing pioglitazone is weight gain, the up arrow scale. We see a painting of a dead heart, representing that heart failure is another possible side effect of this medication. The Mayo-Algae Muscle Man depicts the side effect of myalgia, along with hypoglycemia, portrayed as the hippo glue bottle. There is a correlation with developing URI, or upper respiratory infections with pioglitazone, which is shown as the upper respiratory tract bacteria. An important consideration to be aware of is that this drug has been known to increase the risk of bladder cancer, shown by the up arrow risk from the bladder tumor guy, as well as increasing the risk of fractures in women, the up arrow risk by the fractured woman. Lastly, with this medication, it is important to monitor liver enzymes, the monitor with liver enzymes, because hepatotoxicity may occur. So to review, pioglitazone belongs to a class of medications that commonly end in the glitazone suffix. It works by binding to PPAR gamma, which in turn decreases insulin resistance in patients with type 2 diabetes. Side effects include weight gain, heart failure, myalgia, hypoglycemia, and development of upper respiratory infections. Considerations include the increased risk of bladder cancer, as well as the increased risk of fractures in women. Be sure to monitor liver enzymes in patients prescribed this medication.
Everyone knows that Pug glitter is the best kind of glitter when making a sweet Valentine for your crush, and you can only find it at GlitterZone. GlitterZone. This fancy one-of-a-kind Pug Bug glitter is harvested by hand by the Pepper Grandma herself. For years, she's been binding her pepper to the pug short snout and achoo! Pug glitter for all. At GlitterZone, an insect syringe uses the special glitter to woo his crush over, and she is so won over that she drops her swatter. It's none other than the beautiful dyed bead pancreas in a tutu. She was planning on swatting away the buggy suitor, but not after seeing a love card like that. Now her old boyfriend is left sad and alone and eats his sorrows, and the scale shows it. He makes a card of his own, telling her how broken and dead his heart is, all while he stuffs his face with Mayo-Algae. He uses nearly all the glitter and hippo glue at GlitterZone in the process, and makes himself sick with upper respiratory tract bacteria. Once word got out that GlitterZone was running out of pug glitter, things got out of hand. The tumor guy ran around spraying black market pea glitter from his bladder, blowing women away with glitter and increasing their risk of fractures. And people are still looking for more pug glitter in the strangest of places, like this monitor digging deep in a liver only to find enzymes. Needless to say, people go crazy for that pug butt glitter, baby.